Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix it if your iPhone apps keep crashing. So if you're trying to open an app on your iPhone and it just keeps on crashing, you can't get into the app, then here are 4 ways to fix this. The first one, and I know it sounds really easy, is simply checking your Wi-Fi. So basically every single app needs Wi-Fi, so make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. You have probably already checked this, but just make sure to triple check it. Then the second thing you want to try and do is go into settings, scroll a little bit down to find battery, and make sure that low power mode is off. If you have low power mode enabled, sometimes it could also don't work with some apps, and some apps just crash randomly when you have low power mode enabled. Do note that this is only with a few apps, but you could of course still try it. And this is method number 2. Method number 3, however, is a bit different. So what you're going to do is you are going to check for your battery. And I know it sounds really obvious again. However, if your battery is under 5%, sometimes your iPhone will just start to go really slow, and because your battery is almost out, and especially if your battery is like 1-2%, your iPhone will become really slow, and sometimes that could also be the reason why your iPhone is randomly crashing apps. Then I have one more method for you might want to try, and that's going into general. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go right here and click on shut down phone, and you're going to click on slide to power off. This will restart your phone. It's just a normal restart. However, 99% of all issues with your iPhone can simply be resolved by simply double checking if you have Wi-Fi connected, low power mode disabled, high battery percentage, and the most important one, simply restarting your phone. And I know it sounds really obvious, however a lot of people don't do this, and maybe you also didn't try this yet. So make sure to restart your phone, then to start it up again, just hold the power button and hold the volume up button at the same time for a few seconds till the Apple logo appears. And then we can see it appears, and now all we have to do is wait, and that should fix the issue for you. So let me down in the comments if this fixed the issue for you. If it did so, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.